Hello Eric, good evening. I'm going to explain you or elaborate you about the utilities of ls command. Ls command is mainly used to list the directory contents in Linux or Unix related operating systems. Let me tell you where can we use this ls command. Right now I have installed VMware in my system. I have installed Red Hat Linux version 6. Currently, right now I'm in slash root directory. As said, ls is a command used to list the contents of a directory. Generally, I'll describe you the each and every option which can be used along with ls. If you use directly only ls, then it is pointing out to the files which are present in that present working in that directory, right? So we can see around maybe around 10 to 12 files or directories available in this current location, in this current directory. So we can have many options. uh, we can use many options along with ls to make our work simple and easy. We can the first one which I am going to show you is ls-a. It gives you all the files available in that directory. This also gives you dot, and dot dot. The dot indicates the current directory and the dot dot indicates the parent directory. These special directories exist in every directory on the system. Correct? Fine. Let's go ahead and let's see this what ls hyphen capital A does. See, you are unable to view this dot and dot dot when you use ls hyphen capital A command. Okay, fine. This is the difference between ls hyphen small a and ls hyphen capital A commands. Now let's go ahead and use ls hyphen capital small d. It is used to list directory entries instead of contents, and do not dereference symbolic links. Got it? And let's try with another option, ls hyphen I. It gives the inode number associated with each and every file or directory. Now this indicates the inode number of this particular file. Let's go further. ls hyphen small l. It is used for long listing of the files or directories which are present in that particular directory. See, let me explain you in detail about this ls-l command. This is very important to understand about the file present in that location. See, the first line indicates the total 276. What does this number 276 indicate? The first line of the command ls-l describes the total number of blocks taken up by the directory. The current directory has taken 276 blocks from the file system. Generally, one block is equals to 512 bytes. Okay, fine. So this present working directory has taken 276 blocks. This is having these many of files, right? Let me explain each and every detail of all the fields available here. The first field gives you the here hyphen. The first one hyphen indicates whether it is file or a directory. If it is a hyphen, we can say it as a file. If it is starting with d, then we can understand it as a directory. Fine. Okay. Then what does this RW indicate? RW are for read and write, as you all aware of it. And we can see that it does not have X. That means any user can't execute this file. Okay. The next three fields are for groups. Only for other groups we have only read option, and for others we have only read for this file. Let's next coming to the second field. The second field indicates the number of links present to this file. Number of links present to this file means only one they have given. That means it doesn't have any soft link, any link for this file. Whereas we can see here 3. That means this particular desktop file we have 2 more links for this file. Yes, okay. Next, coming to the third field, here it is mentioned as root. That means that indicates the owner of the file. This alias file, the owner of this file is root. And coming to the fourth field, group name of the owner. This third field indicates the owner, and fourth field is the corresponding group name of that owner. Next, coming to the fifth field. Fifth field indicates the size of file in bytes. Total amount of size that the file has taken in bytes is represented here. This shows 114602 bytes. And next, coming to the sixth field, date and timestamp. It gives you date when it was created, when the file was created, or when the file was last modified. This is the file name. Hope this is clear with the ls-l command. Let me go ahead and start using ls-s. This is small s. ls-small s. ls-small s will print the allocated size of each file in blocks. This will give you in blocks. 112 blocks was allocated for alias file. Likewise, 4 blocks was allocated to desktop, 4 blocks to IAM. Fine. Let's go ahead with the next command, ls-capital S. ls-capital S will sort the available files in the order of file size. Fine. Let's go ahead and use ls-small r. ls-small r will give you the reverse order while sorting. Reverse order of file. See, videos has taken the least amount of size, so it is in the first place. Let's go ahead and use ls-capital R. It will list the subdirectories recursively. That means whatever the files available in each and every folder, it will give the available file and folders in each and every folder. Coming to next, ls-t. ls-t will sort the output by the modification time. That means whichever file was recently created will be in the first place. Man, that was the file which was recently created in this folder.